Hello everyone, namaste. Welcome back to Tarot Tales 369. Those who are new here, thank you for watching. Welcome to the channel. This is a general timeless reading for Capricorn today. So we'll look for Capricorn's career, love, and money aspects. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Meanwhile, if you are interested in one-on-one personal reading, so you can always contact me for further inquiries. Also, if you're liking the videos, please share them, subscribe to the channel, and press that bell icon for further notification. So let's check out what's there for a Capricorn's career. So the cards are showing expansion, planning, and long-term success for you. Capricorn's natural traits, of ambition, discipline, and that strategic thinking are strongly aligned with the energy of this card of Three of Wands here. You have already taken the first steps towards your goal or that project, and now you're beginning to see the results very soon. This card suggests your efforts are starting to pay off now, and opportunities for growth, and even possibly international or long distance. So that's on the cards for you. You might get those international deals, or you may be traveling there in terms of your career. The job, you'll definitely get that. So opportunities from far, relocation or travel or global collaboration is definitely there for you. So there is so much confidence in you right now. Okay, you may be stepping into a new phase of your career altogether, where strategic vision is essential here. So think big and don't lose your grounding at the same time. Your typical Capricorn nature of that, persistence and efforts, will be the key to making your long term plans more sustainable, and that success more tangible for you. So if you were waiting for that feedback or results, long term awaited. So trust that progress is unfolding for you in terms of your current. That's a very, very good card for your career here. And now in your love, so that Knight card is definitely reflecting that loyalty, commitment, and a steady, very grounded approach to your relationship. That's a very stable card for you. This energy deeply resonates with Capricorn's, earthly in nature, that practicality, patient, that perseverance, and willing to build love over time. There's no rush. This card is showing, that solid, dependable partner, that connection. Even if things are not moving fast currently, so there's definitely that stability and trust, and long term commitments are the foundation here for you. If you are in that relationship, so daily efforts and loyalty in love, it is showing that. So it's not about that passion or just mincing words. No, it's about showing up, standing there, doing the work, and growing together. You and your partner may be working on long term goals or shared responsibilities now. That's a very good commitment, stable energy there. So this night is, perfectly showing Capricorn's energy of your, devotion and that persistence and emotional endurance. So you might be more focused on creating a secure and more sustainable, future oriented love, that bond, than chasing, uh, that momentary excitement. No, you guys are going ahead with this, and that's a very strong connection here. And now in your money, so financially, balance is your biggest strength here. Temperance is asking you to blend your resources wisely. Be patient with investments and avoid extremes. You are learning to manage your income with grace, and not just owning, but making it more sustainable. Collaboration and budgeting and a peaceful approach to money matters bring long term financial harmony and flow here. So if you have that money, or you are going to get it, so invest it wisely, and balance it. because balance is more powerful than only hustling. So this is great time to think, slow and steady, and maybe mutual funds or real estate or saving plans, some kind of that will grow over time. With time you will get the returns you're waiting for, and your financial goals will be fulfilled. You know so don't rush things, because that's a calm and consistent financial approach is required, and that will bring you wealth with peace that you're craving. So use your wisdom plus your intuition at this time. Okay. Enjoy the things, enjoy your money, but also think about savings, and have that patience, because you are definitely building a financial life, deeply rooted in your patience, maturity, and inner peace at this time. So let go of any extreme thoughts, and a balanced approach will bring you sustainable abundance in the coming time. That's a card from our major arcana, and that's the divine guidance for you here in terms of your money. So temperance is here to remind you to trust the flow. Money doesn't just come from hard work, but from smart work. So this looks like a very powerful reading for you, Capricorns. This reading reflects your earthly power, strong foundation, and your quiet consistency with clear vision. You're crafting success, with the discipline, also attracting love that's reliable and stable, and finding that financial peace through smart choices. So the universe is here to support your slow and steady rise. So trust the process. It's all about aligning your thoughts. And now we'll pull out one card of advice from our angels and ancestors. So please give me one card. What's the final message for Capricorn for this reading? Please give me one card of advice. My guides and angels, what the Capricorn. Okay, we have got Lord Shiva. What an impactful reading for you here, Capricorns. Shiva is saying transcendence, rise up, honor your inner force. The steps are being given, dance with the universe. As I said, the universe is working for you behind the scenes. So when Shiva appears here in your reading, you are being called to go beyond your limitations and align your thoughts with your higher path, especially in how you work, love, and how you handle your money. So you are being divinely guided towards higher goals, and you have opportunities coming for you. And Shiva energy is inviting you to release those outdated ambitions and move towards what really lights up your soul in terms of your career and in your love aspect. So this is a very sacred, grounded love. So your person may be with you. You both are going through a transformation and becoming more stable and emotionally mature with time. So Shiva is here to support you. And in your money, Shiva is asking you to go beyond your fears and that material anxiety. Be balanced in your managing your money. So you are not just building a life, you're building a legacy of soul and strength here, Capricorn. That's a very powerful reading here. You are being asked to align your relationship with your money, how you manage it. Trust your purpose and divine timing. So that's a beautiful message for you here. Lord Shiva is blessing your path with clarity, divine timing, and the transcendence, and you are just on your way to achieve huge success in your life. Capricorn, this reading isn't just about external success, but I am feeling that it's about your inner evolution at the same time. So very impactful reading here for you, Capricorns, and hope you resonate with Shiva here. Thank you for watching, and namaste.